If you're looking for a digital health management platform, Carolyn might have caught your attention. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break down everything you need to know before signing up. Carolyn is a telehealth and healthcare management platform that connects patients with doctors, mental health professionals, and wellness services. One of its main selling points is convenience. You can schedule appointments, track prescriptions, and access virtual care all from a single app. Most people get this wrong. While it sounds like a typical telehealth app, Carolyn also integrates insurance and care coordination, which makes it more than just video visits. The platform is designed to reduce administrative hassle. You can upload documents, share health records, and even get reminders for checkups or medications. This feature is particularly useful if you are managing chronic conditions or multiple providers. However, there are some limitations. Carolyn is still expanding its network, so availability of certain specialists may be limited depending on your region. Some users report delays in appointment scheduling or that not all features are intuitive at first. Pricing depends on your insurance coverage. Many services are covered under major insurance plans, but out-of-pocket costs vary. The app is free to download, and you only pay for the consultations or services as applicable. In conclusion, Carolyn is a solid choice for anyone looking to streamline healthcare management and access virtual care without jumping between multiple apps. Its integration with insurance and care coordination makes it stand out from standard telehealth platforms. If you are comfortable with the mostly digital experience and don't need every specialist locally, Carolyn can save you time and effort. Subscribe for more honest health tech reviews and tips to help you make informed choices for your wellness.